typical Danish type house is very traditional, and in my point of view, a little bit boring, and has not become a part of the time, and has not doing any progress in the last 20 years or 50 years or whatever. So with the new way of thinking, try to make this one in modules, in wooden modules, made on a factory. It was my hope that if we do a house here who was the same price as this traditional type house. And this one has been sold now in Denmark for 3 or 4 years, and now we sell them also in Sweden, and we sell them in Norway. And we sell the sales and production right to a local company in each country. Mm-hmm. It's not the same company do it. It's very important for us that we have different companies doing it, who know the market, who have the education or have the organization standing close to. And the other one we did is a little bit comparative. Is this one? It's Villa Riber. It's a type house. It's or close to a type house, but it's a beautiful site. Totally looking out over the sea. But it stands on the slope was 45 degrees. So in the front it stands some columns here. So the truck was holding on the top of the hill and put this one outside and put it down on this one. So this one is very good way of working when you work on slopes like this, because then you use the very easy way just to put it out and put it down.
So was this part of that system, or is it?
It's part of the system, but it's of course changed a little bit so you can use columns. And just yesterday, what do you call the municipality? What do you call the name of this commune there with? Oh, they have rewarded this house with a reward for this year. If they have a very difficult site, they phone to us and say, could you help us here? Also from Sweden and Norway. But of course I don't fly to Norway every morning to see a site, so it's very difficult. We will be brought in by digital pictures, and they try, what do you think, could you be 2 levels here or whatever. But normally they do them themselves. Mm-hmm. And that's maybe the weak part of this. But in Norway they have the skilled architect and the company. In Sweden they have one. We try to use him, go out and see the land. So the best would be if they in all countries were a connecting architectural office or whatever who just have this feeling of how to put them. How is the garage, how is the entrance, how is the car.